Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Orca the Killer Whale. Yesterday we talked about BTC long order, and yes, I have already closed that long order, and now I'm placing short orders. I'm entering slowly, like small positions first, and then I will ladder into slightly bigger position. There are a few reasons why I have closed this long order, and I'm trying to enter into a short order. Seems like the correction which we already had as a flat correction doesn't seem to be completely over. Probably there is one more push towards the downside. And does it mean that we will get into a long order immediately once we clear the lows? No, that is not the case. For that, we will have to jump into the charts. And before we do that, for the viewers who are new to this channel, my name is Mike. I'm the creator of Orca TKW. And in this channel, we talk about BTC. We have a community where we talk about the trade signals. This is the community here on the Telegram channel. You can join this community also. It's a free community. Just follow the description and send me the word Orca, and I will add you to this group. This video will be a follow-up video on last video, which we talked about a long order, and hence I'm making this video because I have closed that long order and I'm looking into shorts. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, this is the channel here. You can go through the video list. I think it's the last two videos. You can check it out and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out future videos when I post it. And now, not wasting any more time, let's jump into the chart. Okay, this was our chart. Initial analysis we have done on this chart here, as this being 1 and this being flat correction 2 and 3, 4 and a 5, where we were talking about subwave, which is also an impulsive wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as an inner wave of the main wave 3. This was the exact scenario which we were playing yesterday. And in our community, we are short from around this area, around 7,900, to catch this wave 2 bottom, and then we could ride the wave up. And there were other scenarios also where I drawn this being an A, B, C correction. And the third scenario was this being an wave 1, and all this correction here being a wave 2, and then we will have a wave 3, 4, 5, a bigger correction towards the downside, probably around 53, 52K area. This is an update video on yesterday's video. And if you see here, we have clearly broken down from the RSI here. And we are coming back to retest this trend line over here, and then we could be heading towards the downside. We cannot just ignore this scenario where this RSI could be heading downside. And if the RSI is heading downside, then the price action will also go towards the downside. The similar scenario happened also in this area here. If you pay attention, this was the area where the price broke down. If you can see exactly on the RSI also. And the price was around 93.5K area, and there was a lot of space here to move down. And then the price broke down, and then it took the momentum. If you can see, RSI was already bottoming over here. Okay, and the price was still up here. And then you see the big drop here. This was like a 30, 35 or 40% drop here. So this could be happening here again. For this RSI, we have already broken down here. And we are still at the 71K area when we were breaking down from this zone. And we still had space here to meet this trend line here down. And from this part, we could be still breaking down. Probably another 37% would be take us, let's check the 37% from here. From this zone here, that's around 42K. It's a big drop, guys, but this price action is in the future. So let's not talk about it at this moment, because when I will see the wave formation, I will definitely update the video and let you know what's really happening in the market. So I will delete these structures, these wave counts for now, so that we can have a clear chart. And I'm going to remove this impulsive wave also towards the upside. So coming back into this chart here, we have to go to 1 hourly time frame to understand if we have finished with this correction here. The recent correction here, it looks like we are finished. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like we are done here. But there could be another way of measuring this one, is the fourth wave is finishing here and we have another wave towards the downside, because this certainly looks like an ABC correction, flat correction to the upside, and the counts And the fib levels are also matching, it has hit exactly 1618. I have already checked this count here. And the fib levels, if you can see here, 1618, 71.5K, and it has hit exactly at this level. And from that, we are seeing the rejection. And this could be initial wave 1, and this could be initial wave 2, which is already finished. And now we might be progressing into wave 3, followed by a 4 and 5. So we can come down and take the liquidity downside here. Let me draw that structure for you guys. So this could be the plan, where we can come and sweep the liquidity down here. This liquidity could be taken out. We might be dumping very hard, guys. If the third wave is extended, then we can take out all this liquidity down here, come back and even take out this liquidity, and then we can have an impulsive move towards the upside. I'm going to try and long 2 places, and definitely it will be MC levels where I will find a long order. Let me delete this first. We don't need this too. Okay. So talking about the MC level, if you can see, we can come back and take this liquidity down here. The first area of my interest is around 66,600. I will see if the price action, if it is going to hold this trend line or not. If it doesn't hold this trend line, then we're going to go down around 63,637. This will be my second area of interest to try and long this market. If it still doesn't hold here, then we're going to sweep this liquidity, and then somewhere we can find the bottom here where we can further look into this impulsive wave towards the upside. At the moment, we are short in our community. If this moves up here as we planned first time, then we will get stopped out with the maybe break even on the short order. But if we can move towards the downside here, then our short orders will be printing. There is one more thing I want to discuss, that if we break down here, break this trend line as well, and clear all this liquidity, and finally if we sweep this liquidity, then this is kind of reminding me of a previous bull cycle where we were ending the bull cycle and turning into a bear. But before that, if you can see here, this was the part where I boxed out, and we still got a move towards the upside. But I don't think that in this cycle we will get the same move towards the upside, probably a higher low, and then we go down further. But I see the current price action is similar to this one, where we are moving within this box, keep churning the traders like up and down, and finally coming back and taking the liquidity out of this one, and then giving a final retest, which is a higher low, and then going up. This is also another scenario which you can keep it in mind, in case if the price clears downside liquidity, then we might be playing the similar structure there, where everybody is talking about this structure playing out, a bear flag playing out over here also. So we could just come down, sweep this liquidity, and then fake out everyone, and then go put a higher low, which we were talking about, the impulsive move towards the upside to 82K. That could happen here, and then we can continue our bear market. And that's it, guys. That's the update for BTC for today. And if you like this content, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to join the community, you're always welcome. Until then, guys, I will see you soon. Ciao.